So hey guys, what is going on? Like my background? Finally outside, y'all. This feels really good. Of course, still being safe, but this feels so freaking good, y'all. This is just like, I can't wait till all this is over because I cannot wait to travel and go somewhere. Soon, the first chance I get, me and my family's taking us a little mini vacay because it's well needed. We all need one. This has been a stressful, 2 months or so or more, but all in all, I am just basking in this view. Like, look at the water. You know what I mean? Away from, there's a lot of people outside today, but keeping our distance. I had my mask on, but I took it off, y'all. But it's just super, super beautiful today, y'all. I just really wanted to make this video to let you guys know that we don't have any time to waste. I don't care if I may sound like a broken record to you all as far as, what I do, working from home and things like that. But it is critical, y'all. It is no longer an option to not have more than one stream of income. And honestly, right now, online marketing, direct sales, is really booming, guys. There's nothing else to do. You cannot go find a job. Nobody's hiring. Jobs are slowly decreasing. Businesses that were still, up and running, they are slowing down. You know what I mean? And people are still putting themselves at risk by going to work because they need money. So this is why it's so important for you guys to have a home-based business for things like this. A lot of you guys hate your jobs anyway. You hate the people you used to work with. So when this is all said and done, you're gonna go back to work, back to sitting behind a desk, back to going behind the register and checking people out. You guys really need to take this seriously and think about it, y'all. I truly am passionate about helping people, you know what I mean? Because I know what I was in, the situation I was in. If I wasn't scrolling on social media, or scrolling online looking for another option, I wouldn't have found TLC, y'all. And I'm so grateful for TLC. A lot of you guys are waiting on stimulus checks. Some of you guys already got your stimulus checks. If you got a stimulus check, or if you have any savings, any money, you need to invest that money into something that's gonna help you make you more money. Okay? Create your own stimulus check, y'all. There is thousands of people here with TLC making really great money simply helping themselves and helping others. Now, let me just say, we don't make any income claims, any medical claims. It is solely dependent on how bad you want it. You know what I mean? Yes, you can make a lot of money here with TLC, but it depends on you and your faith level and how bad do you want it, y'all. Seriously. This is really a game changer, y'all. Like, if you don't have an online business, it's like you're left behind, pretty much. You know what I mean? And all jokes aside, because it's like, everyone is promoting online. Everyone is selling something online. You know what I mean? You sell something or die. Simple as that. The world is going to be so different once this is all said and done, y'all. The question is, will you be different with it? Will you grow and learn something through this, quarantine? This is the perfect time for you to learn a new skill. Selling online is a new skill. Because when this is said and done, the people who are going to be making the millions of dollars are going to be the ones who have a skill. You know what I mean? So this is why I encourage you guys to get started. Get started today with TLC. There's nothing else to talk about. There's nothing else to wait about. You've been waiting all these years and you still not where you want to be. So there is no reason for you to wait. All you need to do is invest $50 and get your business kit and get one product. Get your $50 business kit and get you one product. It could be the Detox Tea. It could be the NutriBurst. Okay? But get started today, guys. There's no more time to waste. There's no time to wait. Being outside today is such a beautiful day. It just inspired me for the future. Like, okay, when everybody can come outside and travel again, I want to travel to a lot of different places. I love to be outside, outdoors, in the nature. I got my daughter right here chilling with my family. You know what I mean? So this is something that I look forward to. I look forward to leaving a legacy for her. Not only about selling a product and getting people in. This is for my life, y'all. This should be for your life. The point of starting a business and doing all this stuff is so you can be comfortable. You can have a peace of mind. You can have freedom. You can have money in the bank. You don't have to worry about keep checking your bank account trying to see how much money you got left and what can you pinch and squeeze. Guys, those days are over. I'm in this for the long haul. So when I look for people who, or when I help people who want to get serious and get started with TLC, there's a goal behind it. This is, yes, we can sell products. The products work. They're amazing. You can make amazing money here. Yes, you get to get connected with a lot of great people. But when this is all said and done, I want residual income. I want to make money in my sleep. I know you guys want to make money in your sleep. It feels good to go to bed and wake up, you see sales in your bank account, in your back office, you know? Now imagine if you have that on autopilot and every day you making money in your sleep. So this is the long-term goal for this, guys. You guys really need to start setting goals for yourself. It is important to set goals, y'all. And it all starts in your mind, guys. Honestly, being an entrepreneur is a personal development course with a comp plan attached to it, okay? So meaning, it's just about personal development, guys, and it all starts in your mind. A lot of you guys are used to living and working paycheck to paycheck. So your mind is set on paycheck to paycheck. Oh, let me use this paycheck to pay that, this paycheck to pay that. No, y'all. Well, let me tell you something. When I get to the point where one of my paychecks is paying all of my bills, then you know that you're doing something right. And that's the goal. How would you feel if one of your paychecks could pay all your bills? You got a check coming in every single week, but one of those checks is paying all your bills, so you got 3 other checks for the month that you just could save, invest, do what you want to do with it. Guys, that is a great feeling. This is why I got started with TLC. This is why I got started with online marketing, because I got tired of always being broke. I got tired of always trying to figure out who I'm going to ask today for $40, who I'm going to ask today to borrow some money. And right now everybody's struggling to keep money, in their hand, So invest your money, guys. You need to ask yourself, am I comfortable? Am I happy with where I am right now? And if the answer is no, you need to be running to the link down below and getting started. So you can be a part of a community that, supports you, that shows you love, that shows you great energy, that helps you get to where you need to be. And TLC is that, y'all. So I encourage you guys to get started. Too many people are playing with their lives. Too many people are playing games. And right now, me and my team, we are some growing elevation type shit. Like, we really got dreams and goals. Kalia! We really got dreams and goals that are coming to reality. How they will get done is not our business, it's God's business. But you got to do the work. Y'all need to stop praying, hoping, and wishing for money to fall in your lap and things to happen, and put action in. Yes, pray. Yes, hope, yes, wish, but you gotta take action, guys. You can't, faith without works is dead. So don't sit around all day praying for your stimulus check to come so you can go and blow it on something that you don't need. Don't pray and wish for, your job to get you back. No, guys. Pray, wish, hope, but take action. Take action. The first step is saying yes to you. Yes to a new mindset. Yes to your new business. Yes to your new health, okay? So get started with TLC, y'all. And let's lock arms. Let's do this thing, because this is it. This is it, y'all. The world's gonna be different, and you guys need to be ready and prepared for it. Right now, online marketing, direct sales is where it's at, and it's booming. 3 million people are online right now. Probably more, because 6 million people lost their job. So everybody is online looking for some money, looking for a way to work to make some money. And you mean to tell me you have this vehicle, TLC, in your hand, and you can't help 50 people a month, 20 people a month? You guys need to get started, because people are looking for you. Trust me. Don't worry about not knowing everything. Don't worry about how to talk to people, this and that. Just get in, and once you get in, you will get taught everything you need to know, because people are looking for you, guys. There's people coming online every single day. How many people can you help? So don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like you can't do anything. Don't feel like you can't make money, because we all can make money, guys. There's no shortage of money. Money is everywhere, okay? Just like people's everywhere. And people are looking for you. So get started today, y'all. Join the team. Let's work, because I want us to be on somebody's beach when all this is said and done. On somebody's beach sipping somebody's margaritas, okay? Of course, when COVID is done. But I'm just passionate about it, because I know I am passionate about this, because I know I have something in my hands that could potentially help the next person, y'all. It is about being fruitful and multiply. I learned how to make $1,000 online. I can show you how to make $1,000 online. $100 a day, $500 a week, by simply, giving you this vehicle that helped me, so I know it's gonna help you. You just gotta want it. It's in my hand, y'all. Y'all just gotta take it. There's no point of debating about it, or let me see. You don't got the money, borrow the money. If you have the money, invest the money. My coach just told me somebody just joined the team the other day, spent like $500. Yes, the minimum is $50. You get your $50 starter kit and one product. But if you got faith and you believe in and what you're about to do, get more than one product. Get you some NutriBurst, 2 bags of CBD tea, 3 bags of tea, and let's work, guys. There's no limit to what you can get started with. You can get started from $50 all over to $1,000 in inventory and product, and it does not matter. But if you got that faith level, then hey, let's do it. Go all in. But if you just want to get your feet in the door, get your $50 starter kit and get 2 to 3 products. and less work, y'all, because you got to try the products for yourself if you have never tried the products. If you have never tried the products, you need to get you the products yourself so you can taste it, try it, get your results, and you know what you're promoting. If you already tried the products before, you know the deal, just get started. It's no more talking about it. It's no more trying to figure it out. Just go ahead, do it, and get started, okay? Somebody about to go fishing. So listen, y'all, get started today. Don't wait any longer. If you got a stimulus check, you need to invest about $200 of that and get started. If you're waiting on your stimulus check, borrow the money and still get started, y'all. This is it. There is nothing else to do but be home, kill time, and make money from home. Make some money from home so you ain't gotta be worried about exposing yourself to what's going on, okay? Protect you and your family, and protect you most of all, okay? Because in order for you to help somebody else, you gotta help yourself. So right now, I'm giving you a vehicle that can start you on the journey to helping yourself, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this awesome and amazing day. I'm super happy to be, out here enjoying it. So, and also, if you guys are ordering products and things like that, the NutriBurst and stuff, bear with TLC, y'all, because all this corona stuff is going on. It is affecting a lot of people. Now it's starting to affect shipment and workers and things like that in that field. So be patient with TLC. This is why if you join my team, make sure you text me so I know you joined, so I can answer as many questions for you as possible, so you don't have to call TLC and keep you on hold for hours. You know what I mean? We are really, really experiencing a big growth, so you got to be patient with TLC. You know what I mean? So once you join my team, make sure you message me so I can explain to you everything that you need to know. Now, if you're not a part of my team, don't get offended. Don't feel bad that I can't spend all my time answering all these questions, but I got to put priority first. If you join me in business, your time goes, if you join me in business, my time goes directly to you. If you're one of my customers, I have a customer group. You can post in there, answer questions. If you're one of my customers, I'll also find the time to answer your questions. But if you're ready to work and you need some guidance, I'm definitely going to help you because you joined me in business, and you joined for a reason, to start you on the road to your success. So yes, you're definitely right. I'm going to give you my time because you invested in yourself, and you invested in me because you chose me as your sponsor, your upline, okay? So if you join my team, my time goes to you. Send me a DM, send me a text message so we can get you down and ready to go. But TLC is really growing, and they're experiencing a lot of high call volumes and things like that. So just be patient. A lot of products we gotta re-up in stock, so just be patient. But of course, the NutriBurst, the Detox Tea, things like that are still available. So let's work, y'all. I'm gonna go spend some time with her because she's trying to interrupt my video. So really, really take seriously what I said, y'all, and let's work. Start today. Don't put it off tomorrow. Don't put it off for next week. Start today, y'all. Timing and positioning is truly important. So start today, and I see you guys at the top, because the bottom right now, y'all, is way too crowded. Okay? Bye.